it yet because I would need to upgrade my plan. So if you'd want to upgrade your plan so that you'd be able to accept payments, make sure to use the link in the description so that you'd be able to get exclusive deals and bonuses. So click here on upgrade, and now you'll be seeing the plans here on Wix.com. And in here, you can see that all plans include custom domain. And so this is great in order for you to have a credible URL for your e-commerce store and no Wix branding on the site. So you can remove the Wix branding on the templates and 24/7 customer care. So now I'm just going to give you an overview on which one you should choose depending on your situation. So first is the Business Elite at $48 per month as of today. So the prices here might vary depending on what time you are currently watching this video. So it might be years from now, so it might have fluctuated a bit. So here in the Business Elite plan, this is perfect for large businesses or scaling brands that need full e-commerce power, unlimited storage, and advanced tools for marketing and development. The business plan here, on the other hand, is ideal for growing businesses that want solid e-commerce capabilities and more collaborators without going all in on enterprise features at $27 per month. So now, next is the core plan. So this is what you should at least get if you would want to start e-commerce here on Wix. So this is best for small businesses starting to sell online who need essential e-commerce and marketing features at a manageable scale. So if you're a beginner in e-commerce, or maybe you're just building your store as of the moment, then this is what I suggest that you should get right here. So this is $14 per month. And then the light one in here, I do not recommend, because with this is great for personal brands or simple websites that do not need e-commerce but still want a professional look with light marketing tools. So this is not suited for e-commerce here. So this is more of like for a portfolio purpose or a personal brand and so on. So get at least core right here. And then you can click here on compare plan features if you want to get a more comprehensive view of all of the features that you will be getting.